Welcome to Spanglish, the game show, teen edition.
Here are the rules of the game. I will choose the dollar amount, and the first contestant to hit the red alert can answer the question and collect the dollar amount. The contestant who has the most money at the end of the game wins the money and another chance to return on the next Spanglish teen edition. Here are our contestants. We have Bobby from Philadelphia, Pennsylvania, Trina from San Antonio, Texas, and Sarah from Atlanta, Georgia. Okay, contestants, our category today is restaurants for 100. Here's your hint, a place you sit down and eat.
What is restaurante?
Okay, good job, Trina. You now have $100 on the board. Here's your hint. For $400, call in ahead to save a spot at a specific time.
What is reserva?
Trina is cleaning up over here with $500 on the board. Here's your hint for $700. 3 table utensils you use to eat meals.
What is a tenedor, cuchillo y cuchara?
Okay, Bobby, you just swooped in and took the lead with $700, but it's still early on, guys, and a lot more money to win. And here is your next hint. For $200, what is a round flat object that you eat off of?
What is plato?
Okay, Sarah, you're in the game now. You now have $200 on the board.
Oh yeah, I'm coming.
Good job, guys. Here's your next hint for $500. This object can be round, square, glass, or made of wood.
What is mesa?
Okay, Sarah's on fire with $700 on the board. Okay, folks, let's keep this momentum going. Here's your next hint for $800. 2 words a host will say to you while walking away and seating you.
What is sigue me?
Okay, folks, we're now near the end of the game, but it's still anybody's contest. Sarah and Bobby, you both are tied with $700. Trina, you're currently in first place with $1,300.
Yeah, let's get it.
Here's your next hint for $300. What is the thing you sit on when eating at the table?
What is silla?
Let's keep it moving now, folks, and there's still enough money on the board for anybody to win. Okay, teens, here's your next hint for $600. What is the word for waitress?
What is camarera?
Wow, Bobby, you're making big moves and you're now tied with Trina for $1,300. This is getting good. Only one more slot for the big win. Teens, the game is now winding down, and here's your final hint for $900. What is the word for glass and cup?
What is vaso y taza?
Sarah, you've won this edition of Spanglish. You're leading with $1,900 and a chance to win a bigger prize at our next teen edition.
Woohoo! Yes, I'm going to the mall. Give me my money, honey. Thank you for watching Spanglish, the game show, teen edition. Please hit the subscribe and like button. And until next time, adios.